The Army is unveiling its new Meiji air conditioner, Top Air Pero 1.5 horsepower 2025. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. This is an air conditioner is a high-end wall-mounted air conditioner with super first-class energy efficiency, unique design and intelligent control functions. The following will detail the characteristics of this product and user evaluation from multiple aspects such as performance, design, user experience, and market positioning. The Meiji air conditioner particularly well in terms of performance. The air conditioner adopts a super first class energy efficiency design with an AFPA value of up to 5.65, which means that the air conditioner has extremely high energy utilization efficiency and can save users of a lot of electricity bills. According to users' feedback, this air conditioner has energy efficiency improvement of about 40% compared to the ordinary air conditioners and can save about 3.61 kWh of electricity per year. Its powerful cooling and heating performance is also very satisfactory. It can achieve rapid cooling in 13 seconds and heating in 60 seconds. The best feature of this air conditioner is innovative upper air outlet design. The direct blowing of cold air from traditional air conditioners often brings discomfort to people, while the Meiji air conditioner Top Air Outlet Pro guides the cold air to the ceiling through the form of well-mounted airflow and then distributes it evenly throughout the room, thus avoiding the trouble of direct blowing of cold air. At the same time, this design also enables the air conditioner to efficiently sink hot air when heating, forming a carpet wind and improving the heating effect. In addition, the air conditioner large air volume of 830 cubic meter can quickly cover a space of 1620 square meters, ensuring uniform distribution of indoor temperature. In terms of design, the Meiji Air Conditioner Pro uses a transparent PC plus UV. In terms of design, PC plus UV imitation metal bush shell, which has a simple and elegant appearance. The indoor unit weighs 13 kilograms and the outdoor unit weighs 28 grams. The indoor unit has a double row evaporator and the outdoor unit has a double row condenser. These upgrades significantly increase the heat exchange area and improve the performance and the cooling effect of the air conditioner. The air conditioner also has a high temperature self-cleaning function, and both the internal and external unit supports automatic cleaning to ensure hygiene and health for long-term use. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.